Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Iborotoyin Edet. You can call me IB. Now, are you interested in learning the art of transcribing? Then you are on the right channel. All you need to do is click the subscription button below and the notification bell to get notifications on my next video. Our last 3 videos or 4 videos so far we've touched introduction into transcribing, the 3 P's every transcriber should have, the tools for the trade, that is the tools you need to have before you can proceed into transcribing. And last video we looked at the different types of transcription, and one of them was verbatim transcription, which was what we did in our last video. If you missed any of these videos, all you need to do is just check the description below for those videos. In today's video, we'll be looking at the other type of transcription, and that is non-verbatim transcription. Last video was verbatim transcription. This video will be looking at non-verbatim transcription. Now, non-verbatim transcription is also known as intelligent verbatim, and this is a style of transcription where you omit or you adjust some unnecessary or unwanted dictation from the audio file. Now, a lot of times when transcribing, you get to hear a lot of speech fillers like all those speech fillers. You get them, you get a lot of false starts, you get speaker peculiarities like repetitive use of words. People say, you know what I mean, actually, and so on and so forth. And sometimes you get stammerings and stutters. Sometimes you also get interjections from a second or third party during this recording. Now, these are interjections. All these are things that can be omitted when you're transcribing non-verbatim. You're doing intelligent verbatim transcribing. Now, however, there could be instances of word repetitions or even laughter, and you could actually capture some of these if they actually help in the context of what you are actually transcribing or the information you need to record or you need to transcribe out. Some laughter could really be necessary. For instance, you are transcribing an interview. And they ask the interviewee a particular question that's actually funny, and he laughs or she laughs. Sometimes you could actually indicate laughter there to say that, okay, the person actually laughed because of the funny question. Now, this can actually mean something. Or sometimes some interjections could be important. It could actually be transcribing an interview of 2 people sitting together. Now, these 2 people could say something. One of them could say something and he might have forgotten a particular word. The other party could actually interject and put in that word. Now, that can actually be captured as well in your transcript. Now, you also have to understand that non-verbatim transcription also is still a perfect. Don't think it's you're ruining your client's transcript or client's transcription job. No, you're not. It's also a perfect representation of what was actually recorded on the audio file, just that you are taking out some little, stripping it of some unwanted elements and all that, which could be distracting. So that is all for today on non-verbatim transcript. Now, if you've learned something new from non-verbatim transcript or from any of the videos we've watched so far, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. If you have any question, also leave same in the comment section. I will try as much as possible to answer any of all your questions as much as possible. So we've come to the end of this series on transcribing for beginners. I hope you were able to learn a lot from it. Until my next video, that will be all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notification on my next video. Bye.